Hi guys, so I'm coming to you today and I'm going to be doing an unboxing. You ready? Sephora unboxing. Let's go. Okay, so I was out of makeup. And I thought, let's support a Black-owned business. So who is killing it with the Black-owned businesses in makeup? Yes, Rihanna. Fenty Beauty is killing it. A ton of shades. It was so easy to pick my perfect shade by using their calculator or their match system, and I will show it on the screen. I simply put in one of my favorite makeups. It is the Smashbox. It is the Smashbox Camera Ready CC Cream. It's dark spot correcting as well. It's a broad spectrum SPF 30 in dark. So this is very light but natural. So I'm the natural beat face girl. Like, hopefully you can tell that I'm the natural beat face girl. I have the natural look. I want the natural glow. I want natural lashes. I want natural eyebrows. I can have some popping lips though. But I love a natural, glowy, dewy makeup. And so you put in the color or the shade, which is a great way to find your shade. So shout out to Fenty Beauty for putting that together. I don't know if it's on just Sephora's site, but it's a great way to know your exact color. So I put this in that I was dark in Smashbox Camera Ready Broad Spectrum CC Cream, and it showed me what to get in Fenty Beauty. So this is my Sephora box. Leave a comment down below if you are a Sephora shopper. Here she go. Fenty. This little thing right here was $30-something. I'm not complaining. The only makeup that I actually used to get was MAC makeup. I don't know if I was just doing it because my name is MAC, but it worked. They had my shade. And who remembers Fashion Fair? Do you use Fashion Fair? So listen, that was the first experience. Like, family, mom, whatever would, like, if I was going to the prom or something like that, they would put Fashion Fair on me. Then when I got older, college age, I got into MAC makeup. And so I have just a little makeup thing. This is really, I'm all over the place with it, but I get the Studio Fix and C8. And then I have their bronzing powder, the Refined Deeper Bronze. So love it. This bronzing powder is for my cheeks. So it's a little, it looks bronze, but it's a little red tint to it. I mean, it looks brown, but it's a little like reddy, bronzy tint to it. So I use it to for blush, basically. So not necessarily as a highlighter. And then the Studio Fix, obviously, I use that. It's almost gone, so I'm running out of things. I'm ashamed to show you, but this is what my other Studio Fix, not Studio Fix, this is what my other Smashbox looks like. I cut that thing open because I have had to get it all out. That little container is $30-something as well. And so how many ounces? It's 1 fluid ounce and it's 30-something bucks. So I have makeup all over my hands. Anyway, so yeah, this little thing for $30-something. It goes a long way. You get the natural look. And so rambling, I wanted to try Fenty Beauty. And so I got the Pro Filter Hydrating Long Wear Foundation. So this one is for, I think, combination or dry skin. It's not the matte looking one, it's the dewy one. You gotta be glowing in these streets. So I'm just opening it up. Oh man, I'm excited about this. So this is actually, how many ounces is this? Same, 1.08 fluid ounces. So I guess that's just the normal thing. So Fenty Beauty. Hey Rihanna. Massage well if needed. Pump and squeeze tube simultaneously to release air. And it's in 400. So I guess this looks like me. Oh Lord, I hope it works. I hope it works. This looks, you know, that look like about right. I haven't been in anyone's sun this summer because of our worldwide timeout, so it should work. I sure hope it does. Also, another thing that I use that is cracked all the way up, I need to get my makeup life together. Who has makeup like this? I'm ashamed, but I'm keeping it real. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Minerals. I can't even see it for all of the Golden Sunrise Bronzer in 435. It cracked on the side. That's what happens when traveling in the States, obviously traveling. It's been cracked, sis. It's been cracked. So I just need to maybe transfer it to a different container. But yeah, so that's a little gist of my makeup. Real quick, I did not even go over the unboxing officially. So I didn't just get this Fenty Beauty. I did not just get the foundation. I got a lipstick. So the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. So yeah, we about to open this thing. It's so cute. How fancy is this? Fenty Beauty. Ah, look at this. Can you focus? Can it focus? It has a FB on it. It makes you not even want to use it. I'm using it though. Aww. So yeah, and then with Sephora, they give you free gifts. So free little samples. So I chose this. You can't see that. Or can you? Yep, you can if I just bring it closer. So it's the Sol Janeiro Bum Bum Body Scrub. It's a Brazilian body smoothing blend, exfoliates and nourishes to reveal your softest skin yet. Love it, flaunt it, you got it. With ultrafine sugar crystals and crushed kapuaku seeds. Interesting. I'm excited. I'm using this. And then I got 2 samples. So I chose this because who knows about Briogeo? I've never tried Briogeo. I think it's a black owned brand. I'm pretty sure it's black owned brand, but it's sold in Sephora. So, or online on their website. So it's Briogeo's Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. Yeah. Sephora samples for the win, as well as, oh, a cleansing oil. So I'm into skincare. If you've seen my skincare content, check it out. It gets no views, sis. I mean, it gets a little views, but it's not many. It does not have as many views as my hair care videos, which whatevs. But I'm really into skincare as well. My skin has been horrible over the years, and so this is a gentle cleansing oil. Who uses oil to cleanse your skin? So I found out about a natural hair, well, she has natural hair, which drew me to her, but she's an African-American black girl. She is an African-American esthetician, and she's called, what is her name? LA Beautyologist. LA Beautyologist, something like that. I'll leave it on the screen. I love her. She's so informational. I love the way that she does her videos. So yeah, so she does oil cleansing. I'm interested in oil cleansing. Leave a comment down below if you've heard of LA Beautyologist, as well as have you heard of oil cleansing for your face and your skin? You have to get cute, flawless skin under this makeup. So I'm going into skin type stuff because you have to have the foundation of great skin before you put makeup on it, right? You can't put makeup on bad skin, otherwise your skin will just get worse and worse. And so, which is a reason why I don't really wear a lot of makeup. I love like a clean, fresh face, like all the time. Even when I wear makeup, I'm like, can't wait to get home to take it off. That's me. I like breathable makeup. And so I found that the Smashbox makeup was super breathable, and yeah, but it's not black owned. So I had to get with the black owned brand to support my good sis Rihanna. Yeah, she has a skincare line too. Have you guys checked that out? I'll leave a picture of it on the screen, but that's bomb too. Haven't checked that out. My skin is super sensitive, so I don't try a ton of new things like that, but let me know how you like it if you've tried it. So let's get into this. That's all from Sephora. That's all from Sephora. I spent, girl, I don't know. They don't even have the price on here. Let me look on my phone. 1 second. Okay. So I have it on my phone, and I spent $35 on the Fenty Beauty. I spent $12.50 on the lipstick. It's called Quilt. I don't think that I said that. It's Rihanna's Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick and not Quilt. Quilt. I'm cold. No, I'm just joking. And Quit. What am I quitting? And then the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Body Scrub in trial size. Then I got the Briogeo Sample Scalp Revival Exfoliating Shampoo. And then I got the Solwasu Gentle Cleansing Oil. So those 3 trials were free, and the total, what I spent, sis? So yeah, like 50 something dollars, which is fine. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.